Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax return. First, gather all your essential documents, including W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income. Next, collect records for potential deductions and credits, like student loan interest or charitable contributions. Finally, determine your correct filing status, whether you are single, married filing jointly, or head of household, as this impacts your tax liability. Once your documents are ready, calculate your total gross income, which includes wages, interest, and dividends. Then, identify all eligible deductions that can lower your taxable income, such as contributions to an IRA or health savings account. You'll need to decide whether to take the standard deduction, which is a fixed amount, or itemize your deductions, which might be beneficial if you have many expenses. After deductions, apply any tax credits you qualify for, as these directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar. Examples include the child tax credit or education credits. Carefully complete all required forms, ensuring every section is filled out correctly. Before submitting, take the time to thoroughly review all entries for any potential errors or omissions to avoid delays. Finally, submit your completed tax return either electronically through approved software or by mailing paper forms. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to avoid any penalties or interest charges. Remember, if you need more time, you can file for an extension. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep good records for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.